welcome to Switzerland!
Wow, everything beautiful!
I hope I don't slip on the snow.
This place feels so peaceful.
Switzerland adventure begins now!
Wow! Wow, it's freezing out here!
Come on, everyone! This is the Matterhorn, one of the most famous mountains in the Alps. It looks like a giant triangle of snow!
This train ride through the Swiss Alps is like traveling through a painting.
Ah! The snow is so slippery! I need to be very careful here.
This Swiss village is so peaceful, quiet, and beautiful, like a winter dream.
Switzerland is famous for chocolate. And this place is like a sweet dream.
Switzerland is full of natural beauty.
Every view felt like a painting.
I survived the snow, barely.
It was peaceful and magical.
This journey was unforgettable.
Thank you for traveling with Universe Explore Switzerland Edition.
Before we go,
Don't forget to like this video.
share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new episode.
Bye, everyone! Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.